Good morning. World markets had their worst quarter since the height of 2008 financial meltdown as a chronic credit crisis in the Eurozone rattled investors. Anemic growth in the US economy is another factor that dented investor confidence. There are still no signs of hope as national leaders and policy makers continue to grapple with evolving macroeconomic problems. The start is likely to be a bad one due to a steep fall across Western markets. Asian markets trading this morning have all taken a beating. A spate of disappointing domestic economic statistics will only add to the list of global issues. The centre's fiscal situation is in a mess. The current fiscal deficit has swelled and the external debt is also increasing. Inflation, of course, is the biggest problem. The near-term prospects don't appear too bright due to mounting risks that could default sooner or later. The ECB's policy meet this week will be keenly followed. US jobs data will be another key data to keep a close watch. The Nifty closed below 4,950 on Friday. The intermediate uptrend could come under threat if the Nifty closes below 4,880. That might also lead to a fresh round of selling. The Nifty could retest its recent lows of 4,750. FIs were net sellers of Rs 4.59 billion in the cash segment on Friday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional institutions were net buyers at Rs 5.17 billion on the same day. FIs were net buyers of Rs 13.27 billion in the F&O segment. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend going short on DCHL October futures below Rs 55, with the stop loss placed at Rs 56.5 and for the target price of Rs 52. We recommend traders to short Bharat Forge October futures below Rs 267 with a stop loss placed at Rs 271 and for the target price of Rs 259. Our derivatives call for the day are: long Bharti Airtel October futures between Rs 372 to Rs 374 for the target price of Rs 384 and a stop loss placed at Rs 368. Short Hindustan Zinc October futures between Rs 117 to Rs 118 for the target price of Rs 110 and a stop loss placed at Rs 121. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.